mafioso, and restore system settings and restore ants. We already have a theory for the food, so we don't know two. Dating service, late romantic, amorous armadillo, friend and family counseling, French frog and toad, rating review, writing rationalist ranch hand, listserv, file sorting, data search, compiling, candy cupboard, to-do list and objective and victory condition, vampire vicuña, questing, quaint, apple core, currency exchange, auction house, and online market and bidding platform, Betelgeuse and Stepford housewife. So we can do Real Housewives of Betelgeuse or Alpha Centauri. Animation platform, fancy freeish butterflies, retail and online movie distribution, corny pop, popcorn bucket, LTech media player design, Muppet Monster, IP ensuring, magician Morel. And we also have a plan in place. Sorry, I just have to reposition my butt. It was twisted. For the corporate tax cut, tuck shirt, clip for the Steadicam. Prototype development, pragmatic pioneer, replicator rascal, teleportation terminal, transdimensional space-time Tigra, indexing file cabinet Frankenstein, almanac aristocratic working man, encyclopedic journal jumpsuit gymnast, job search germanium, dictionary reading reticular shadow puppets urchin, physical property formulaics, feature sets flowerman fawn. That's not property like ownership, that's like your characteristics. Regional management ringmaster, risk assessment sauna rabbit, IOU, this is a hard one. The lens is on the top right instead of the top left. That's why it's confusing to me. The inner and outer lens. So there's compression. IO, which is input output, UI, which is user interface, and UX, which is your friends and your experience with the system. System architect, Android, land ownership, and leasing space colonists. Frontline support, Stukovian agent, hostility settings, cherry tree, service benefit, flapper scene stir for your union benefits, fertility and child support, soup kitchen, kitty cat chat, multi-class talent synergy, statistics, tribal council, group chat, live stream, Maze Runner, Thought Cloud, stay out of Cannibal Country, Shanghai Sherpa, appliance sales, semi-truck, transportation assistance, silly script science, road crew, rye bread, Tonka trucks, logistics and control, radio, fiddly cricket, hazmat, hobo, steel barrel, restocking, thigh-high stocking, and a Barreras gummy bear. And I have the Barreras